Want to download YouTube videos? Even after the 2026 update, this method still works. Many people think downloading YouTube videos is impossible now. But today I will show you a working 2026 method to download YouTube videos easily. Before we start, if you haven't updated your YouTube app yet, go to the Play Store and update it to the latest version. So let's get started. First of all, open YouTube. Then tap on search icon. Now search for the video you want to download. So here I will download this video. Here you tap on the three dots of the selected video. After that, tap on download video. Then tap on the download button here. Now you may see a pop-up saying waiting for Wi-Fi to download. From here, tap on settings. After that, turn off the download over Wi-Fi only option. Now go back to the home page. Now tap on your profile picture icon from here. After that, tap on downloads option. And here you will see your downloaded video. Now to check if it really works offline, so I will turn off my internet connection. Now, as you can see, even without Wi-Fi or mobile data, the video is still available and plays perfectly. This means your YouTube video is successfully downloaded and can be watched anytime, anywhere. Okay guys, if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel.